Now we're going to get into a little bit of murky water here, a little bit of an ethics question. You know, as I said, sometimes it may not be raining, but we're overcast. And we want to have skies that are beautiful and blue with white puffy clouds. I can do sky replacements, and I have no problem doing sky replacements. To me, the ethics really come into play when you change something material to the plane. If there were a dent in the plane and I were photoshopping that out or something like that. In a plane for sale, that's material to the plane. And that's something I generally would not Photoshop out. But something like the sky, if it's overcast, I don't have a problem putting in clouds and making the picture look better because that's not material to the plane. Sometimes for library shots or something like that, we'll need to remove the tail number, or for principal security. I don't have a problem with that. That's something that needs to be done. But if you're repairing the plane, doing something physical to the plane, that's where I think it could cross the line ethically. So that's something we need to talk about and really feel good about it. When I was shooting luxury real estate, one of the rules I had was if you took the home and you turned it upside down, anything that fell out, I could Photoshop, but anything that remained would not be Photoshopped. And that's kind of my ethical line. You know, anything that's material to the plane kind of has to stay the way it is.